This with WTI, and I have a product that I'm super excited to share with you guys. You will be blown away by this product. These are wireless earbuds by the brand Tranya, and obviously they are in the pink color, which this pink is just absolutely perfect. I love it. If you are a pink lover, I guarantee this is going to be the pink that you like. My boyfriend, who is very loyal to his $150 pair of earbuds, actually switched over to these. He needed to borrow my black pair, and he loved them so much that he basically said that I'm not getting them back. So I went out and was going to buy another one when I realized that there was pink ones. So I was actually really excited about that because now I have pink earbuds, and I love that. So the quality of these is incredible. There's a slight noise cancellation, which is perfect for if you're in crowded spaces and you don't want to hear the crowd, but maybe if someone's calling out to you, you're not going to have an issue hearing people. The sound clarity is also wonderful, not only for music or games or things, but also for phone calls, and my voice comes out super clear when I'm using these, and so does the other person when using these headphones. They charge super fast and their battery lasts a very long time. I can go up to a week without charging these. I'm not using them like 24/7, but if you're using them like on a regular basis and not for like 12-hour long periods, then these will last you a very long time on one charge. They're nice and comfortable in my ears. I've always had an issue with wireless earbuds, with them hurting my ears. They sit perfectly in the ear though, and they don't move around when working out, going for walks, just doing your daily things. I highly, highly recommend these. These are some of the best earbuds I've ever used, and that is my point of view.